So let's get started. Upon entering your login credentials, you land on the Recruiter dashboard. The dashboard allows you to manage internal teams, preview the status of previously posted jobs, and helps admins gain control over the entire recruitment process. The Manage Team feature allows you to add or remove admins as well as members from your team. With Vasitum, recruitment is easier, you save time, reduce costs, and find the best candidates efficiently. Come and reimagine recruitment with us.